Good afternoon, students. In today's video, I'm going to explain you the task 2 of documentation production for the past paper Feb March 2023, and we are going to complete the task of documentation production. So let us start. You are going to produce a report of Tawara Educational about STEM subject. All right, the company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created and applied as instructed. The body text style are already been created. So the good part here, the body text already been, the style is been created. Okay, so to the whole document it is already applied. You must not amend this style. So here you need to understand, as I told you in the previous video also, do not change any of the setting which come along with the document, means the default setting. Don't change any default setting. Okay, all right, so now let's start. Question number 1, using a suitable software package. Okay, so open the file M23 stem. Okay, now we will go to our support file folder, extract the files. Okay, now stem. Yep. So as I told you, first you need to enable the setting. Okay, so now the page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation and 2 centimeter margin. Do not change. Okay, do not make any changes to this setting. Save this document as a file name STEM news. Okay, save this document as a file name STEM news. All right, so yeah, go here, file, save as, browse. Okay, now this is our confidential file. Okay, we will change the format. First we will change the file name STEM news, and the format should be Word document. Please, you need to remember here. So the document, the type of the file, means we change the format to Word document, from rich text files to Word document. All right, so here let's go to the second question. Place in a footer. Yes, place in a footer the STEM news document. Automated page number should be left aligned. Okay, in footer we have to apply the automated page number left align, and your name, center number, candidate number should be the right align. So for this I will go to insert. Okay, we have header and footer here. Page number in the bottom means footer. In the bottom of the page it should be left align. Yes, this is left align. And your name, center number, ABC, center number is IN123, and the candidate number is 1234. All right, and this should be right align. Okay, all right, so yep, it should meet the margin proper. Yep, done the footer part. Okay, make sure that all the document matches the page margin. No other text is included in the footer area. The footer is displayed on all the pages, so let's make sure there is no other margin. Okay, good, it's fine. Yeah, so we can see in all our pages page number along with your name, center number, and candidate number. Yeah, we're done with the question number 2. Enter. Now question number 3, create and store the following styles. Okay, basis each on the default and normal paragraph style. Okay, so we have to create those styles. So our first style is TS subheads. So now I will go here, go to styles. Okay, now we will bring the style here. Okay, the interface. So now first is the create a new style, TS subhead. As I told you, you have to make this as a normal for all setting because we are creating a new style. And then it should be sans serif is Arial. Yeah, I have Arial here by default. Okay, so now we'll to choose Arial, and then font size is 14. Let's make it 14. Then alignment is center. I told you it is in paragraph format. Paragraph alignment is center for the text. Press OK. And all caps and bold. Okay, so I told you first we'll click on bold and then format. Then we will go to font and click on all caps and press OK. Done. Line spacing should be single. Space before is 0 and space after is 9. Space after is 9. Okay, so I will go to format again, paragraph. It's a single line spacing and 9 points. After is 9 points. And press OK and then OK. Don't worry, as I told you at the beginning, we can format the text so that it will come to the normal text. Next, st table. Okay, let me create now the st table. We'll create st table now. Okay, so we'll go here again, new style. Style name first we will make this as normal, and then st table. Okay, all right, st table done. Font style is serif. Serif means Times New Roman. Okay, so then font size is 11. It is 11. Font style is serif and the font size is 11. Alignment is left. I will go to paragraph and alignment is left. It is already left. Good. Okay, so now italic enhancement is italic. I click on italic, and then single line spacing. Space before is 0, after is 0. Okay, so we will go to paragraph, single line spacing, before and after is 0, 0. Press OK and then OK. So yep, we got new style, which is st table. We're done with this part. Now let's go to the st bullet. Okay, now let's create another style, which is st bullet. Style name is st bullet. Make it as a normal everything. Okay, font style is serif and the font size is 11. So here I will choose for serif Times New Roman, and font size is 11. Okay, so see here, if you see this, here it says square shape bullet. Enhancement is square shape bullet aligned to the left margin. Okay, so first we will go to numbering, click on bullet, square. So student, I would like to tell you here, you can add some more symbols and more type of bullet by using a function, okay, like symbols. Okay, so right now they gave us a default bullet, so I'm going to use the square bullet and then press OK. Yeah, I got square bullet, and then these bullets are aligned to left margin. Okay, formula, format, and paragraph, it should be left margin. Okay, before and after is 0, 0. Before and after is 0, 0. All right, and then press OK. So now you can see here, okay, it is left aligned. Okay, and then the bullet and everything is fine. Press OK. Now we're done with this part too. So we successfully created all 3 new styles. Place this in your evidence file. Take a picture of st subheads. So I will go to my support file, open the evidence, enable editing. Okay, so now what I have to take here, a screenshot of st subheads. st subheads. So I will go to my document and then here st subheads. Yeah, and I will click here st subheads and modify. Okay, so st subhead is here and modify Windows plus print screen. We'll take the screenshot of this and paste in our evidence file. So press OK. Go here. Control V. Next. Let's move to next question. Display the style name created in step 3 as a list. Style manager organizer. Take a screenshot to show that you have created name and save this style. Okay, step 3, these are all three, like the style which we created as a list. Okay, the list, okay, in the style manager. Okay, this is our style manager. We'll take a screenshot here, show covering the whole area, and then we'll paste here. Okay, Control V. Style manager done. Next, the style st style has already been created and stored. Modify the style. Okay, let's modify the style. Okay, where is st title? St title, click and modify. Okay, what we need to do, style name is st title, fine. Font style is sans serif, means Arial. Okay, it is in Times New Roman, so now I'm changing it to Arial. Next, font size is 36, here it is 20, so I'm changing here. So see here I'm doing changes in st title, so it is 36, so I got 36. Next, alignment is center, so center alignment. Enhancement is bold and underline, so we have bold, no italic and underline. Okay, so we did the changes. Next, the line spacing is single and 0 0, so I will go to format, paragraph, line spacing is single and before and after is 0 0. Press OK. Fine, done with the st title 2. Next, apply the style to the text Tawara School STEM Development. Okay, I select here and title. Wow, so it means yes. Can you see, like, student, I would like you to tell something, like guide you some, give you some guidance, like you have to make sure that whatever the styles you are creating, it is going according to the question. Okay, if you see this, okay, it is 36 points, bold and underline. Okay, bold and underline. So see here, it is already, this font size is 36 and bold and underline. Okay, so it means that the style which you created, okay, early, that is also correct, and you are doing great job. So let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Below the title, add a subtitle. Okay, innovation in science education. Okay, so I will go here, I press enter, and just below the title I will press innovation in science education. Done. The title st subtitle has been already created and stored. Apply the title to the text, okay, which you enter in the step 6. st subtitle, I will select this, and where is my subtitle? Here. So wow, done. Next, it's working good. So now apply the st bullet to the working in teams to developing own solutions. So working in team and developing own solutions. I will go and what st bullet, yeah, done perfectly. Okay, so now identify the 7 subheadings in the document and apply the st subhead style to each one. Okay, so let's what subjects. First is, I think, this is, we start with this. What are the STEM subjects? So like we have to apply subjects. One, yeah, one. Second, second I can say this. Why STEM approach to learning important? Okay, subject. Yep. Second, third. Okay, integrated system for all. Subject. Yep. Done. And then why is STEM so important? Subject. Right. Next. And then in encouraging girls to take STEM subject. Yes. And do we have anything? Yeah, opportunity in digital world of work. Subjects. Done. And moving into work for higher education. Subjects. Done. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we got total 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right, so we got all 7 subheadings done. Next, change the page layout. Student, I hope you remember I told you this question is important for your all documentation production task. Okay, so change the page layout so that the subheading why is STEM approach to learning important, okay, and all following text. Okay, why is STEM from here, yeah, why is STEM approaching to learning importance, and to all the text. Yep, selected. And this should be, okay, page layout should be, okay, displayed into 2 columns equally width with 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. All right, so we will go to layout, column, more column, 2 column, and spacing is 1 centimeter, and press OK. Wow, good. So we got this done. So we got 2 marks for this. Locate the table and insert a new row above the chemistry. Above the chemistry, enter the following data into these rows. Okay, so we need to find chemistry. Yeah, I got here chemistry, above the chemistry, right? Yeah, they are asking us a new row above the chemistry. Okay, right click, insert. See, student, I click on the boys percentage, right click, insert above. Yep, so physics, and then 1 cell, and then chemistry. Here I need to type biology, okay, and then the student score here 50, and then 40. Done. Next, merge the cell and center align the first row of the table. So here I selected. Okay, student, from the last video you said, sir, could you please help us out how to merge the cell? So please see here what I did. I selected the first cell, then carry forward with the last cell. So now it is totally 3 first row cells got selected. Right click and merge the cell. Yeah, done. Should be center align. Yes, it should be center align. Alignment is center. Next, apply the ST table style to row 2 to 9 of the table. Okay, so I have here row 2 to 9 and table. Wow, amazing, good. So no data is wrapped on the table. Yes, nothing is text wrapped. All grid lines of the display were printed. Yep. Okay, so it already have grid lines, so we'll make sure the grid line. Next, all border and the data fit in the column width. Yep, we can see here. So all the data is properly aligned. There is 6-point space after the table. Okay, so now here paragraph. Okay, so here just 6-point difference, 0, and then okay, so yes, we got 6-point difference. Yeah, next, import the image M23 scientist JPG and place it in the paragraph, will the gender this party. Okay, so I will press Control F. Student, please remember Control F is the function to use, okay, to find the text value. Control V, enter. So here we got it. Now thank you. Close the function. Now will the gender. Okay, so here will the gender. So import the image. We have to import the image here. So for this file, open. I will go to my support file folder. Okay, browse on my, yeah, it is here. So let me go to my desktop. Okay, past papers. Yeah, we are doing 2023 and all files. So scientist, yeah, I find it. So here is the scientist file. Open. So the image, insert picture from this device. Okay, so now we'll go to the desktop. Okay, to my support file folders, 2023 support file folders. This is the scientist and insert. Okay, so done. So we inserted. Now next, reflect the image so that the laboratory flask is on right side. We have here rotation, so we will flip to horizontal so that it would be on right align. Next, format the image. It is resized to the height 2 centimeter. Okay, height 2 centimeter and the expected ratio maintained. So I will right click on the image, sizing and positioning. Okay, so height is 2 centimeter and then press OK. Yep, got it. It is aligned to the left column. Okay, yes, it is aligned already. Okay, and the top of the paragraph starting with will gender, yes, it is done. Okay, text wrap around the image. Okay, student, I already told you for text wrap, okay, you always have to use square around the text. Yep, good. Next. Okay, so we are in our final question, spell check and proofread. Alright, so I will press Fn plus F7. Okay, is the shortcut command. I repeat one more time. Fn plus F7 is the command used for proofreading and spell check. So to be Tawara, Tawaran. Okay, so it's a Tawara. Okay, so we will change. So now connect spelling. Yep, most of the, yeah, and then robocalls, robogirls, conference, or the early, such as the robocalls. Okay, so ignore the noun. Now finish that. So here in this way we completed our spell check too. So finally our document is ready here. So now make sure that the table are listed, not split into two columns. Yes, it is not splitted. Next, columns align at the top. Yeah, everything, yeah, see the columns are aligned at the top. There are no videos and our friends. Okay, so in this case, see, I would like to just adjust the document like this. Yeah, so it's there. Now right click, paragraph. Okay, line and page breakup, view. So there are no videos and our friends. I will uncheck and okay, done. There is no blank page. All right, so there is no blank page. Done. Styles are applied constantly. Yeah, everything is applied constantly. Okay, spacing is constantly between all items. Yep, thank you very much for watching. I hope you understood all the steps and how we create the styles and all. Thank you again. Please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm gonna put more videos in future that will really help you in your IGCSE ICT exams. Thank you.